REKR stock analysis and Rekor Systems stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Rekor, I mean, just love the 9% decrease in price. One thing that I want to say is that I'm definitely willing to take it up, although it's not going to be an immediate buy, but I'm open-minded buyer. So I've spent 5 figures on courses, mentors, call out thousands of correct predictions for free on my YouTube channel, specifically with Rekor. I mean, what else can I say, man, that I'm just sitting here and just thinking about the longs. It's crazy. I mean, I'm dreaming about them. But not to be very clear, we're pulling down, you know. These are cool demand zones. But unless the price ultimately now gives me the confirmation, then what I'm not going to do is buy. So what am I going to do in this case? Wait. Obviously, wait. There's all these auto ticker symbols that are giving me the rules. And this specifically, I mean, I don't like it, but if there's a confirmation, then say, yeah, sure. But that's why I'm waiting for the confirmation. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.